Today we're going to demonstrate the Heathkit DX40. As you will note, it does not appear to have the original knob. It has a little indent here that pushes a switch that I believe was used to activate a relay. But that is not in the circuit now. And let's try and tune it up. We put it in the grid position and we adjust for about a little over 2 mils of grid current. There we go. Then we throw this into the plate position, and then we're going to put this in the CW position. We need to dip the final for resonance, and then we increase the loading, and then we dip the final again, and we increase the loading. There we go. And now let's put it in the phone position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. K10IK on the dummy load, so you can see that it works. Hello test on the 40 meter position. We're going to bring the VFO over to the VFO has two positions for 40 meters. We're going to put it up on the other position, and let's turn the VFO over here and let's see if we can get a tone. Just wanting to show you that the VFO works on both positions, both the 160, 80, and 40 meter position and the 40, 20, 15, and 10 position. Now let's try, speaking of that position, let's try loading it up on 20 meters. And we'll bring it over to 14.2. And actually, we'll do it on 14.318. And let's see if we can find it. Okay, and we have a ton of grid current. Oh, let's put it on 20 meters. There we go. And that's 20 meters. Now let's try loading it up, see what happens. Put this in the plate position, see if we can find a dip. There we go. And bring in some more loading. And find another dip. And up we go, and there we go. Okay, and that's 20 meters. Let's try 15 meters. Let's put it up on 15 meters. We'll try around 21,300. Okay, 21,300. That goes to 15, that goes to there, that goes to there. Okay. Okay, and we have plenty of grid current. Let's put this over the plate, and we have the loading down to 0. Okay, and let's bring this up. And up we go. And there we go. And it's a back and forth situation. There we go. You can see the power indicates well over 100 watts, but again, I believe it's because of a mismatch. Alright, let's try it on 10 meters. I put it up at 29 megahertz, which is where you would use AM on 10 meters. And let's check the grid current. About 2 mils, a little over 2, that's about 2.5 mils, that's not really bad. And then we're going to throw this into the CW position. And let's dip this. Not a whole lot of power, but it's not too bad. And there we are. So it actually works on 10 meters. Now we'll try 75 meters. We'll try near the AM frequency that they use, and we put this in the 80 meter position, and let's find 80 meters here. Okay, might be good if we put that in the 80 meter position, and let's get a tone on here. Okay, and so now let's see how much good current we have, and we got more than enough. We'll cut that back a little bit and put this in the plate position. Go over to CW. Let's dip the final. Okay, and that's about it. We don't really need to bring it up a whole lot more. And that's 80 meters. So we've checked out both the DX40 and the VF1. And we've also checked it out on voice.